Hi everybody and welcome to our chemical change lab. In today's lab, you are going to be watching Maurice go through several different chemical reactions. All right, so some evidence that you know that there's a chemical change, how you're going to know that it's going to happen. We've listed that on top of your lab. Again, this is the lab that you're doing. All right, so things to look for. Look for a color change. If a color changes, that can be certainly a sign of a chemical reaction. The formation of a precipitate, and a precipitate in chemistry is when you take two solutions that look completely liquid, you put them together and a solid forms. All right, that's a sign of a chemical reaction. A change in energy. Change in energy is where something, as you hold the container, it starts to feel hot when it wasn't hot before, or on the other side, it could start to feel cold. Production of a gas. How we know a gas is being formed is we're going to see bubbles. So that's certainly evidence of a change. And then there's going to be one reaction in here where we actually produce light, and that's a really fun one. So you're going to go through in the lab, you're going to watch and make observations of each of the 7 stations that Maurice is going to go through. You're then going to define 3 terms for me: physical change, chemical change, and then precipitate, which we just talked about. All right, because in this lab, there's going to be a couple situations where Maurice is actually physically changing a substance and then putting it through a chemical reaction. So make sure that you can define those 2 terms. Definitions for that are in your textbook, or certainly you can find them online. Okay, you then have 3 analysis questions. All right, so make sure you answer those, especially number 3. Make sure that you're writing balanced equations for each of those reactions and state the type of reaction that is taking place. All right, enjoy the lab. Take care.
Hello, welcome to our lab. This is station 1. Station 2, chalk and the vinegar. Now take the chalk. And add the vinegar. Station 3. First we pour the water. Then we get a spoonful of starch. And we stir. Now that we've stirred, this is what iodine looks originally. This is what it looks like once we add it to our, and we stir again. Station 4. First, we break the Alka-Seltzer tablet in half, and we put it in the water. In the water. Station 5. This is your copper 2 sulfate.
Notice it is a blue solution.
And this is your sodium hydroxide.
Notice it is a colorless solution. They both appear to be completely liquid.
The first step is to add 2 droppers of our copper 2 sulfate.
Go ahead.
Next, we add 1 dropper of our sodium hydroxide.
Notice how you have a very cloudy, almost chunky blue substance form. That is a solid. That is what's called the formation of a precipitate, a solid compound that is formed from 2 solutions.
Station 6. First, we add 2 scoops of calcium chloride.
Calcium chloride.
And then we add 1 scoop of sodium bicarbonate. We will pour our water into our beaker. And carefully put the beaker into our bag, slightly tilted.
So you can get the bag sealed. Try and get the air out as much as you can. Okay, is it totally sealed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what are you gonna do?
Pour the water this way, right?
Mm-hmm. It's sealed, just shake it up.
Oh yeah.
Don't
Oh, I just unsealed it.
make sure it's sealed, then mix it up.
Okay.
Okay, tell me what the bag feels like, Maurice.
It's getting warmer.
What else is happening to the bag?
It's expanding.
Yep. I'm standing back. Maurice has goggles on. Be ready, it could pop.
It's getting very warm and getting very full.
I'm zooming in and keeping my distance. You might want to let go of the bag now, Maurice. Some pop, some don't. And it blew. There we go.
Station 7. This is the magnesium.
Magnesium is a silver colored metal. We're going to react this with oxygen by burning it in the Bunsen burner. You guys are fine watching this on the video. I have told Maurice that he should not look directly at it as it reacts. Hold it away from the Bunsen burner, away from the Bunsen burner. Over the glass, there we go. And now that white powder, you can tap it gently on the glass. Type it. Cool. This white powder is magnesium oxide.